Hey everybody, Steve from the Freelance firm. Let's talk about pipeline for a second. I think, for attorneys that run their own law firm, in my experience, most attorneys don't necessarily run their law practice like a traditional business. They don't necessarily track sales numbers or conversions or pipeline and all of those metrics that help you gauge where your business is at and obviously to help you set projections and give you an idea of where you are. But it's really important to do that, and it's important for law firm owners to really make that adjustment, especially in times like this, because March may have been a decent month for you, but it is almost certainly not going to be a reflection of the true impact that the current environment is going to have on your firm. Depending on practice area, maybe you're in good shape, but there are definitely a lot of practice areas where there's going to be a slowdown. And so with your law firm, you're probably really going to get the first taste of that in April. April being the first, full month after all of this had been going on. A lot of your March numbers, while if you had a good March, a lot of that was probably baked in already. Those are things you were working on, work you had in the pipeline, from that month or obviously before. So finding out where you are, getting a snapshot or an overhead view of where your law firm is, on a weekly basis or bi-weekly, maybe check mid-month. It is critically important to be checking your numbers to get an idea where you are, so you know what you need to do, what needs to be adjusted, what efforts you need to do, more of, what activities you need to do more of. It's marketing, social media, write a blog, send an email blast to old clients. Whatever it is, take a look at what's worked for you in the past. What activities or efforts have you made where it has resulted in you getting more business? Identify that and then replicate it. Copy and paste. Try it again, because it's important for lawyers who are new to taking this approach and looking at their law firm more like a business to make sure that they have pipeline. You have to have a good amount of clients or prospective clients in that pipeline that will, whatever percentage on average, will ultimately retain you, so that you can start to count on that business. And if you're losing business or revenues have dropped or billable hours have dropped and you're noticing that, then again, make that shift. Take a look at what's worked in the past and replicate it. Do more of it. Do as much as you need to be out there, be in front of your current clients, be in front of your past clients, your referral sources, and your target demographic or audience, through social media and things like that. So take a look, come with a fresh perspective in looking at your firm like a business, and work on building that pipeline so that you can, put as much business in there as possible to help build up or offset some of the shortfalls you might see due to the current economic environment. So hopefully that's helpful, and good luck. Take a look, and let's get to work. Thanks.